test drive the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, fog lights, power brakes, rear view camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.